Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore domestic airport in Denpasar. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are on the way to go to the airport in Denpasar. So we will see together how the situation at the moment in airport. But today, especially I will explore how the situation in domestic flight. And next week, I will explore how the situation in international airport. Because international airport just been opened about 2 weeks ago. So that's why I will explore international airport next week. Okay guys, now we reach airport area. Actually, international airport and domestic airport, they stay together. It's not far each other. See the sign? Igusti Ngurah Rai Airport. It's meant the airport for international and domestic. Okay, you see at the front, there is the gate in to go to the airport. And now we take the ticket to go into the airport. Okay, now we are inside the area of Denpasar Airport. You see the statue at the front? Yeah, there is General of Bali. His name is Igusti Ngurah Rai. So this airport called Igusti Ngurah Rai from his name, General of Bali, on Second War. If I turn left at the front, there is pick-up zone for international. But that still look very quiet, isn't it? There is no one car here in international pick-up zone. It's very sad. Left side, there is the way to go to parking area international, but also very quiet. Okay guys, we continue driving to go to pick-up zone for domestic, because I will explore international pick-up zone in next week. Is someone been this airport before? Are you missing this airport? Yeah, I hope you will be back to this airport very soonly. And I hope the visitors come to Bali without quarantine soonly. You see big building at the front? Yes, there is parking area for domestic. So I will try to find parking inside there soonly. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is also lots of people missing this airport in Denpasar, Bali. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali during this pandemic corona. Okay guys, soonly we will know how the station in pick-up zone domestic is busy or quiet. So we will see together. And now we will go to the right side. This is the big building to find the parking. This is very big building for the parking. Yeah, I will try to find parking inside. Oh, there's a lot of car today at the first floor. Oh, okay. There's one car just going out. So I will park it now. Okay guys, now we continue walking and see how look like the situation at the moment at pick-up point. Oh, okay. It looks busy today. Okay guys, now I keep walking until to the pick-up point. Yeah, in this area it still look busy. Lots of people just arrived. You see left side? There is a counter for a taxi. And this one is for Grab. So it is very easy. If you go to Bali, you just go into the outside, you can find a taxi inside. Yeah, it is some people just arrived in Bali. Actually, Bali was very busy last week. But since our government say if you come to Bali, you have to use PCR test to come to Bali and to out from Bali. And also for the kid under 12 years old, also must be PCR test. So that's why lots of people, they're doing cancel to come to Bali because of this PCR. Okay guys, you see left side, there is Solaria. It's a restaurant in pick-up point, domestic arrival. Okay, you can see left side, there is some people in a restaurant. It's look a bit busy. Okay guys, we continue walking until to pick up zone on domestic arrival. Yeah, now we are in pick-up zone. It's look very quiet, isn't it? There is not so many people waiting for customer come in. You see some people there inside? Yeah, there is some people there. They want to make vacation in Bali. So we hope together for international tourism, if you come to Bali, you will not have to use quarantine anymore. Hopefully early next year. But this year, it's hard to say. I think you still have to quarantine in Bali for 5 days. You see? It's very quiet, isn't it? So this is the domestic arrival pick-up point. Just some people there. It is still look very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in arrival domestic pickup point on October 26, 2021. So if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. And next week I will try to show you how to like the situation in international arrival. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.